Hump Day, yeah!
Here comes the money, 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 money. Dollar, dollar.
Hump Day, yeah!
Hey, all, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy hump day.
Hump day.
Wednesday. I'm getting levels out right now, guys. I've been dealing with bullshit this morning. I took calls at the 30,728 and they dipped right to what I called out, 30,700. And now they just fucking launched. So if you're in, you're 200 ticks if you took them from the bottom, but I'm about 80 ticks. Where did I get the 30,700? Rewind to what candle is that? 839 candle. That was the previous low, and so I'm like, well, I'm gonna play that bitch. We're gonna get a bounce, and sure as shit, we got a bounce.
God, hey,
So for the SPY, let me see what SPY is here. Hold on. Okay. So not quite the same looking. I'm gonna rewind here a little bit. Yeah, kinda. So this is that, yep. So this is that 839 candle, which ironically is yesterday's top of the opening range, right? And so I seen this. So this was all red on my NQ chart. Here, let me see if I have it. Yeah. Let me turn it to a minute. Show you what I'm looking at. All right. So we were bleeding all this, right? Bleed, 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 bleed. Right here, we caught this support. And you see this candle? I don't know, people call it, I call it a hammer candle. I don't know, whatever. So it bounced off there. What that means is it comes down, it wicks low, whatever the low is. In this case, it was the 700. Pops immediately up. The next candle eats that one completely and then closes above. And then just keeps going. And then I have another, it's not on this screen. Anyway, we got up to here. This is where I called it right here. I threw it out in my chat. And then if you wanted to, I didn't take any. You could have got this pop. It's about 20 ticks. It came back all the way to the 30,700, and then we just went up. And so on the SPY, you can kind of see what happened. So this is that candle I was talking about. It bounced up, pulled back, and then we got paid. Well, I got paid. Whatever. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. Also cool is we dipped overnight into our opening range yesterday. Today we're using it as support, the top of our opening range. We are below VWAP, so that's going to make things a little bit interesting. Okay, and what do I mean by that? Because generally we're below VWAP. We like puts, right? However, we have our open pre-market low and our opening range high from yesterday. So this is should be strong support. And so we're gonna fight here at the open. Okay. Yesterday, fuck man, what a morning. I had my doctor's appointment, so I was with you if you heard. Um, when did we finally go? Literally like 10:04. So I have my automated shit set up to go 8:30 to 9, or I'm sorry, 9:30 to 10. Um, just because I don't want it playing all day. I want the initial breakout, and that's it. This one fires at 10:04. Screwed me on the automated, but that's okay. There's other days. And then what was the range? It was like a buck, I think, if I remember right. Wasn't it $1.60 or something? And then she squeezed all morning. She tried to fool us here. I remember I loaded puts up and then fooled us out there. And then when she went, man, she went. We got up to 760 and 40 cents. What was that? So we're talking, we got in the money, obviously, with our plays. We played the 5 9s, 750. So we got what? $2-3 move. That's nuts. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. Today, let me back out here, see what I'm looking at. Okay. Anybody that's new, these little gold bars, these are our opening ranges for the last whatever days, right? I just have them stay here on the screen just so we can see. It's a little easier for me because I'm fucking retarded. I need to see. Um, so let's rewind here. We had a huge sell-off, if you remember, probably, I don't remember, it seems like a month or two. So it was just going down, 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 doom and gloom, we're dead, right? And then we came out of that, and you can see we just started stair-stepping up. Here we had about a week or two of just sideways action. You can see at a glance by my opening range bars. Then we shot up again. We had another little stair step. We flagged, or we consolidated here for a week, shot up. That was only a day or two. And then we came back down, but we came back down to our same little flag area, if you will. You can notice right here. And so we flagged there again for about, what is that? About a week, I guess. Shot back up, which is what's happening right now. Again, we had a little step or consolidation here for a few days, shot up, and now we're in that consolidation again, if you will. You can see the gold bar at a glance. Overnight, not pre-market, what is that? Post-market, aftermarket? I don't know. You can see we dipped back into the opening range here, but it got bought right back up. And that's where we're at this morning. These let me zoom in here. All right. So I'm always biased. I'm always biased to the buy side. It's easier for me to trade. I don't know why. I just do it. I will take puts, don't get me wrong, but I'm always looking for upside. And so right now, obviously, I like this support that we have here. I like support of pre-market low. And I'm generally below VWAP on puts, right? Because VWAP is our price right now. So we're gonna see what happens at the open, and then we'll kind of walk through that, and I'll tell you what we see then. Okay. Anything, Playboy?
No, I'm fucking. Hold on, give me a second.
Oh yeah, shit. My bad. Never. My bad. I said that as soon as I got in here too. I got to send out levels. My bad. I'm sending them right now. Right now. My bad, bro. I forgot you're retardeder than me. I can't see the levels, Pee Wee. Please send them to me. Here they come, brother. Here they come.
I think we really need to get above that 760, like
Yeah.
today or tomorrow.
I'll take a pre-market high. That'll be nice. That's basically that 760. A little bit less, but still. What am I doing? Custom.
Oh, what that continuation? Get us to 765, 770.
Shit, let's just go to fucking 800 already. Can we? Just give me
No bullshit.
800.
It's coming.
Still kills me, man. I want to say at least 4, 5, 6 months last year, we were like, give me 600. Or was it 600 or 700? Give me 700. I think it was 700. Give
Yeah,
me 700. It got to like 790 something, right? 795 and if 796. And then it went on a downturn. And then I was like, oh, we're never getting to 700. Life is over. But
now we just completely
she
fucking
did.
bust through that bitch.
Yeah. We just opened up. Let's kind of see what happens. A lot of buying is coming in. Here goes the levels for you. Sorry so late. There you go. You should have got them. Should have got them. If you guys get itchy, all right, if you're fast, I would you can take a play if we close above VWAP, which is here. If you're taking calls, wait for the candle to close. If it closes above, you may enter like it's a solid trade. Just again, trade honest. If it closes below VWAP, just get out. All right. It'll be minimal loss, but VWAP is a powerful tool. If you like, I can jump in it and then just show you. If you want to play it, we can. It did not close above it, so do not enter. You can see it got a couple pennies less, even though it shot up above it the next candle. It did not close above it. You want to use, number one, you want to use VWAP as a baseline at first, right? Strong support here with the opening range and the pre-market below us. And so if it dips down, by all means, I would personally, I would take calls in this area and then use this as stop, right? You got to look for any play that you're in, you look for minimizing your risk and when can I get out? When can I flip it? Whatever, right? That's how I do it. So like, let's say in 12 seconds, if you decide to go, let me get up some prices here for you. I would go 761s. Give it 761s and 54 cents if you entered. If you entered. I would look to take profit about 58, 59. The issue with the morning volume too is the options haven't, I don't want to say calculated, but they haven't calculated yet. And so it kind of typically doesn't boost for a couple of minutes. So you are up if you took in, you're up. And I trimmed there. Got to 58. Come on, baby. Give me one more penny. One more penny. Ah, you little fucker. So that was not my official play, guys. I was just showing you what could happen, okay? How easy trading is. You just have to be a little robot. And I'm out. It got me. So anyway, that was a quick 7-8%. That's it. It's that easy. If you wanna take little snippets, that's all you gotta do. So now we're gonna wait for our 5-minute range. Okay, guys. We're gonna let this take a breather. It'll probably come back to VWAP or thereabout, and then reload is what I'm thinking it happens. We will see though, because I'm not psychic, even though you think I may be. 7. Like today's NQ play, I just literally I look for support. I try to catch the knives. I'm retarded. So I catch the knife and I look for that dramatic rejection. And that's kind of what typically happens at levels that it doesn't hard levels that the market doesn't want to be at. Not always right. Believe me, not always right, but I know when to get out. If it goes against me, that's okay. Just get out. It's quite all right. You learn with losing, guys. Say you don't. Say you don't. You're like, God damn it, I should have got out XYZ. I should have entered here. I should have entered there. You learn off it. That's all. Makes you better.
Helps you grow.
It's Mr. Piboto. Mr. Piboto. Isn't that a song too? Mr. Roboto or Roboto or something. And I always say, like, yeah, trade like a robot. Remove the emotion. It's very hard to. Even if you play one contract, you still play it like it's $1 billion. You're like, I can't lose. Because just we don't want to lose, right? It's fear and it's greed. That's all it is. All right, so we're going to have a little different scenario here that's going to happen, okay? If we close below opening range low and pre-market low, all right? Unfortunately, because I'm a robot, I'm going to go, all right? If you decide to go as well, this is a hard zone and we got double hard support here. So if it opens up again, pretend here. It's not the best play, guys. All right. I'm going to be honest with you. It's not the best play. I'm going to go because again, I'm going to trade my strategy honestly. And then I would hope that we get a break. Let me see here. I'm going to go 754 calls, or I'm sorry, put 754 puts. 754 puts. 43 cents. If this thing closes, I'm gonna give it to VWAP. If it closes above VWAP, I'm gonna jump out. I'm looking right now for a push through pre-market low. That's how we're gonna get paid. Give me a cup. Come on. Or if it gives me, and I didn't send this out yet. Oh well. Give me 1 cent. 1 cent. One more cent. Give me 1 cent. You fucker. I held my breath there. Give me 1 cent. 1 penny. 1 penny. Give me one. There you go. Got it. Should take a little trim. Now we want it to fall through and close below pre-market low and the opening range. It hit it to a penny, guys. Look at that. They're equal. So it hit it. Again, I don't like playing puts. I took them. The better play, if you wanted to think of betterisms, would have been to enter below this, all right? A close below. If you're in with me, you better be taking a little trim because I don't like this level. If you see green, take a little bit, okay? Don't be greedy. I'm expecting it to rebound, to come up. If it doesn't, that's okay. We're gonna get paid, but again, I'm expecting it to reverse. But it didn't. So here's one. Give us one more penny, please. Ah, you little dick. You little dick. No, no. Yep, there you go. Thank you. One more. One more. One more. Got it. Trim again.
Sure.
And now we just want to release this this dotted line here. It's the middle of the opening range. I also use it as a level, and you'll see it'll come to it, and it typically uses it as a hard level, if you will. You should be trimming. If you have not already, you should be or should have. I didn't get that out because I was too busy playing. So I'll wait for another play. I'm still in the puts. A little bit left, a little bit left. I don't think there was news today. I looked yesterday. There was nothing that caught my eye. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, it got me. I'm out. That's fine. Nice little play. This is kind of what I was anticipating here. It wants to get people, it being the powers that be, they want to buy everyone into the doom and gloom. So they're picking up the put people here, then they're gonna rip your fucking face off and go up to yesterday's high. That's what they're doing. That's what I think they're doing. Because they surely won't let us have an easy play like that. Come on. Anyone take the puts? Would you stand out? Did I scare you off? Never too late. You got some? I don't know what 65 is, brother. 65. I don't know what that means. Yeah, puts are scary. Any play is scary, right? Oh, you fucker. I didn't get 25. Would you jump early? You get better feels than me. You're going to be trading for me from now on, you fuck. And there she goes. She's going to poop the bed on us. Of course, she gets me out. Now she's going to 1,000,000%. That's okay. Go, go. Of course, I didn't send it out. Now the people are fucking mad. Let me see what I can put together here. Pull back. Today is the 3rd, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, suck up for me. Give me just a suck up. So as your barometer now, number 1, we're below VWAP. Number 2, we're below opening range. And number 3, we're below pre-market low. So there's nothing in here that says buy calls. Okay, nothing in here says buy calls. The only thing that would is if you make it all the way down to yesterday's low, you can try to catch the knife and buy calls in this area. Okay. Right now, if you're looking at calls or looking for calls, first you need to reclaim pre-market low. I don't necessarily like that since we've already breached it. I would wait until we reclaim VWAP. Because then number 1, you've hit 3 levels. You've got pre-market low, you came back above our opening range, and then you cleared the VWAP too. If you did that, I'd expect it to go test the opening range easily. So it would be a very good play. I am out, but if you're still in the puts, make sure you're getting trimmed, okay? I typically let my runners go. I'll give them a penny generally of whatever I got into. So just typically depends on sizing. What if I got like 100% on me? Let it go a little more just because I'm an idiot, I guess. I don't know. Let's see here. I need to look for an entry for these fucks. No, 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 no. Yeah, I need a suck up. I want to suck up to pre-market low, and I'll enter puts again for them. If we can get up to pre-market low as close as we can, I'll give them an entry. If you guys take that entry also, close out. If it probably if it gets above VWAP, then close out. If it's not at the 25% or whatever your stop loss is. Let's see if we can make them some money here. I need a pullback. Come on, baby, give me a pullback. She's like, no, PB, we're going to 100% without you. Fuck off.
Per use.
Dun, 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 dun. Look at this bitch.
She gone.
Never fails, never fails. God damn. There she goes. Gosh damn. All right. I'm going to wait. I'm going to hold my breath here. Number 1, we have a fat candle down. I'm going to do something stupid here. We're going to go 760 calls, 760 calls. And I went at 45, 45. I'm going to get out if this closes below yesterday's low, which I think it fucking will. Damn, if you took them puts and are in them, you're fucking rich. Give me the bounce. What news came out that anything? There we go. Give me that bounce, bitch. Maybe that was the candle that they were trying to get us. But it went right through yesterday's low. Didn't even think about it, didn't hesitate. Then it bounced, went up to yesterday's low, and then just rejected right off it. So somebody in here fucking full steam ahead puts. I'm looking for that bounce. I am going to. Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. I'm gonna be an idiot. Let me see here. Copy. I'm out of those calls, by the way, out of the calls. It closed below, you get out. You get out. If you're in, just wait. Just wait. I'm going to rewind a little bit, guys. I just got to get me a level here. So we got this guy here. So this is what, Monday? So this is Monday, Tuesday to today. Oh no, what am I thinking? Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Yes. Okay. So you can see the area where we're at. It jumped up here. I want to say, is this last Wednesday or Thursday? So it jumped up, got to this level here, kind of held it. We did all this, came back to it the next day, came down to this area, and now we're there again. So this is where we're looking right here. There's your range, if you will. If we lose this day low right here, you can see this happens to have been this wick also. And this was, what was that, yesterday? No, Monday's opening range low. So if we lose this level, you can that's our hard level here. What is that? 750, basically 755. God, those people are pissed. Sorry, people.
Sorry.
Sorry, left you with the hundo. And that bitch just went. She said, nope. Look at that. Nothing to support. But gone. So you can use this level, which is yesterday's, or I'm sorry. What day is this? Wednesday. So this is Tuesday, Monday. Monday's opening range. It just went right through there too. It's just eating everything up. These motherfuckers are getting rich. I hate the powers that be. I am. Don't come on down. Water's fine here. So we're at 755. Let's see how 755 reacts. I'm gonna catch me a knife. You guys are gonna be like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Uh, Give me a little bit of. All right, 759 calls. 759 calls. I'm in 43. This will be our stop, guys. 754.72. A close below 754.72. You can get out and catch his fucking knife like a boss. 754.72. You close below that, you get out. Entiende? Close, not a wick, a close. Trim. 15%. You guys should be trimming, yes? Hell yeah. That's how you catch a fucking knife, y'all. Get some, bitches. Get
Yeah.
some. Live walked through, drew the line, and pulled the fucking trigger. Who buys calls on a fat ass red candle? I do. I do.
Me.
Da-na-na-na. Nah, nah, nah. This is going 200% for you today, FYI. Number one, we're gonna go reclaim. We're gonna go to opening range low. All right. We're gonna get above that. Then we're gonna go get our head butted at yesterday's low. And we're gonna reclaim that. And we're gonna go up to 760.40. All right. We're gonna make us a new fucking high. And you all are gonna be rich again. Richie rich. Look at that. God damn, I'm fucking good. I hate myself sometimes. What is wrong with me? There's 25%. Make sure you're trimming, guys. There you go. You're welcome. You fucking welcome. You know how many, I'm pointing at the screen like you guys can see it. Do you know how many fucking people just bought all, like, yes, we got in here, but they had everybody fucking fooled. We're going to zero. We're going fucking to zero. And guess what?
That
What I do, I took 30 seconds. I pulled back, looked at our levels, grabbed that fucking knife by the blade. Levels don't lie, kids. Levels don't lie. Give me 58. Come on. Give me 58. 35%. If I get there it is. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.
sick ass play.
Guys, make sure you're trimming, FYI, if you didn't. All right. I am just talking shit about going to 760. I mean, yes, I like it, but these are our levels we're looking at. First, we got to reclaim opening range low. We need to close above that. We need to close above yesterday's low, and then we want to reclaim VWAP. VWAP is now curving. You can look at this. Whoop. So now we're flattening out, which is good because that means buying pressure is coming in. A lot of people are starting to buy now, and so we just got in before they did. They're all waiting for the trend. We're already fucking getting paid. Once we reclaim VWAP, we're gonna smooth sell up to pre-market low. All right. Bet, bet. Or we're going to reject off opening range low, reject off yesterday's low, or reject off VWAP. These are three very hard levels, guys. And we're going to either reject off them or we're going to fucking punch through them. And these guys, number one, they took your money here because they're like, "Ooh, look, we're buying. Now we're selling." And now they just ripped all these people's faces off right there. Anybody get anything? Anybody take any of those plays today? What's check for typos? What did I do? What do you mean? For Ivan? You're talking about Ivan or who? Yeah, Mickey. Mickey, were you not fucking listening, bro? So I'm not reading your chat as I'm fucking yapping and trading. But yes, I understand we were below VWAP and I was explaining what I was doing, bro. I pulled back, I grabbed a couple of levels. That was our last resort level, and that's why I took them. I understand it's below VWAP. So you have a couple of things also that you can look at. Number one, VWAP acts as a magnet throughout the day. And so also if you're very far away from VWAP, people play into it, right? Because it's going to at some point gravitate back towards it. And so people, like we just did, we had the support here at the level, right? Which, look at 754.75, our level was what the fuck? I don't know, a couple pennies below it. And that was just a fast eyeball. That was yesterday. What, yesterday's opening range low? I don't remember what it was. It doesn't matter. So anyway, I grabbed that level. Number one, we're far away from VWAP. Hey, it's going to come back to it. Why not right the fuck now, right? And then we used our level as our out. I trade needing to get out. Does that make sense, guys? I hate being in. I love being in, but um, you need to be able to know when the fuck to get out, like eject, right? So whatever strategy you're playing, have the exit plan. That's it. If it's VWAP, if it's a level, whatever it is, these fuckers will yank your money out in 1 second and be like, haha, got it. So now you're seeing some consolidation. Why? Well, because all these people were like full bore puts. I'm going to buy puts, which we did, but it stopped my ass out. I don't know if anyone else got it. If you got this, I don't even know what it went to. Someone tell me. That was probably damn near a couple 100%. Got it. Um, and so we caught the knife here. I did. Told you why. And now what's happening is now they're fighting because they're like, see this little flag here? Because they're like, wait, what are we doing? I thought we were going puts. I thought we were going puts. And so now the fuck powers that be are ripping these people's faces off that all down here are getting in puts because they're like, what do I do? Oh, look, we're going down. I better buy puts. And they're way the fuck down here, right? So fuck. 650 on the futes. Nice. Nice. Let me see what the babies did. Let me see what my babies did. Yeah, got about 1,000. Let me see. Yeah, 1,000. Let me see here on this one. Cut 0.87, 0.87%. I'll take it. I'll take it. There's one maxed. There's one max. Yeah, we did good. We did good. Girls are working. Girls are working. Look at that fucking candle. Get it. Get it. God damn, I'm impressive. I love me. I love me. If I wasn't me, I would love me. I would do me.
Love me some me.
So we've reclaimed opening range. This is the 15-minute opening range, guys. These whatever. Is it blue, green? I don't know. Cyan, cyan. I don't know. So we reclaim that. We want to reclaim yesterday's low and VWAP. We get that. We should get the release to pre-market low. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. So remember our little consolidation here? Well, it took this big ass candle to get through it because these guys are fighting. That's what happened. This was acting as like a level, if you will. When it does this, one side's going to win. It's going to be violent, and the buyers won right there. Look at these big candles, guys. Look, we crush through opening range. This is what happens. Crush through. You need the big volume to get through our levels. This was our opening range low, right? Get through it. Fought. Big candle. Well, we had a couple of big candles through pre-market low. It tried here, went here, right? One of these is where it wicked my ass back out. And then again, this candle, if you were in, you ate right here. And then again, a lot of volume when we pushed right through yesterday's opening range low and yesterday's low for the day, right? So it took a lot of people selling right here. And then this was the 15-minute opening range. It pushed through it and then just melted all the way down to this level, which was, I want to say it was Monday or Thursday, whatever. I forget at this point. This was opening range low. That's where we got in. So we claimed opening range, and look what it's doing again. We're going sideways, right? It's fighting. It keeps bumping its head at yesterday's low. It's going to fight VWAP too. This is double levels against us. So if you want to play puts in this area, that's fine. It's not a horrible play. I won it because we're on the up momentum at the moment. I would wait for you can take the puts when it gets up closer, but you got to be honest and close them out if it goes above. If you're on the puts bus, all right? If you're on the calls bus, just wait until we reclaim VWAP. If you're not already in. That's what she said. I forgot where I was yesterday. I think I was at the store. Fuck, I don't even know what brought it up. Anyway, some random chick had said something about being in or something or coming or something. I don't remember. And I'm like clockwork. That's what she said. And then my wife like punches me. She's like, "What's wrong with you?" And then the girl's like, "Ha ha, I was thinking that as soon as I said it out loud, I was thinking the same thing." I'm like, there you go.
There you go, baby.
You just have to be able to pull the triggers, guys. It's very fucking hard. Very hard. I'm done. I made fucking 4 fat ass plays today. I got that pre-market, couple here, couple there. I'm done. I'm done. Daddy's happy. Nice day for a hump day.
Oh, baby.
If you would be as so kind as to give me a like and a subscribe, please, 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 please. I would
Very
appreciate it.
much appreciated.
If you
We
didn't
have
take
seen
any trades, you didn't even have to take any trades. I'm sure you learned something. You just have to be able and willing to hit enter. It's hard. Who buys calls on a big ass red candle? We do. Why? I showed you why.
Why did you do that, Pee Wee? Why?
I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I tell you, I have no soul. I'm heartless.
Heartless man. He's as cold as ice.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
Well, I wanted it to reclaim VWAP, but she's fighting. Who knows if she will? Who cares if she will? Not me. I didn't even pull up SPY chart until we got going. So you don't need to sit here and study, sit here at your desk for 8 hours. Screw that. Screw that. All right, y'all. I'm gonna jump off. Back at it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. I don't think there's news tomorrow either. I don't think there was anything. I think, oh yeah, I lied. I think there's one day was, am I off? Was one day ADP and one day is, or was that already passed? I forget. I don't know. Something about jobs, I think. I don't remember. It's all a blur. All a blur. Anyway, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Love yous. Deuces.
See you tomorrow. Excuse me.
Money, money, money. Money, money. Money, money, money. Money, 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 money.